Tell us about your Jewish background.
My parents taught Hebrew school, both of them, Sunday school, as a side job. They didn't push Hebrew on me, so I never really learned it. They did push Yiddish. They actually sat down and had us learn to read and write Yiddish. So I was able to write letters to my grandmother in Yiddish and read the stuff. But Hebrew was the one thing I could avoid, that was an obligation. So I always just avoided it. I had a bar mitzvah, and my father taught me. He really knew all that stuff. He also knew, Gemara, God knows what. But he never practiced it, and we didn't go to shul. I would pick up my grandmother after the services, Rosh Hashanah, Yom Kippur. We did every holiday at home. We had big family seders. It was all serious, matzah all week, all these kinds of things. But we didn't, it was not an observant home because we lived in the neighborhood, which was an enclave. It was a shtetl. And that was what Judaism was living in, with people. It was like life was with people. So you behave that way. The little guy who came to the door, the Eggman, you would talk Yiddish to him. You went to shop on 12th Street, now Rosa Parks Boulevard. People would talk Yiddish, and they'd give you a cookie in the bakery, and then barrels of pickles on the floor, and it was so culture bound your life that what did that mean in terms of a Jewish background? It's a very particular kind of experience of my generation, which of course people don't have anymore.